The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of North Dakota beginning at 11 o'clock a.m. and ending at 12 o'clock p.m. A silver alert is being issued at the request of the Grand Forks Police Department. Lee Edward Little Eagle of Grand Forks, North Dakota is a 53-year-old Native American male. He is 6 feet tall, weighs 160 pounds and has black and gray hair and brown eyes. His last known whereabouts were on September 3, 2021 at 4 p.m. near Thompson, North Dakota, and indicated he was headed towards Fargo. He is believed to be on foot but is known to hitchhike. Additional information. Lee Edward Little Eagle was last seen wearing a royal blue jacket, blue jeans and glasses. If you have any information regarding this incident, please contact the Grand Forks Police Department at 701-787-8000. The above silver alert information is available to the public by calling 511 or visiting ndresponsc.gov/alert.